Uh, okay.
Recording in progress.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to this session on emotional healing. Today we'll be enhancing our self-expression using acupressure. Welcome, Surjana. Welcome, Pritesh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. We'll start in about 2 or 3 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions related to the sessions, you can ask me now. Sujana, you have been attending sessions regularly. So maybe can I ask you about feedback? Like how are you feeling about these sessions?
As I told you, I stopped yelling at my kids, even
Okay.
when I'm too angry. Also, I'm just doing this relaxing point,
Okay, great.
so I feel it more lighter than earlier.
Okay, very good. We have a session on anger management as well.
Okay,
So we'll do
when is it?
specifically a day after.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So we'll have a session on anger management.
Sir,
So
actually, my main concern is my kid. They are too hyperactive. One is 13 years old and one is 5 years old.
okay.
They doesn't listen to me at all. For them, can you just guide me
So
in any other way?
yeah, we can do a session on their hyperactivity as well as memory and
Okay.
concentration. So we can have a separate session. Maybe you can talk to me, call me, and then we can discuss.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Pritesh, I see you. I think you're for the first time here.
No, I'm at the second time. It's my second session.
Okay. Sorry, I don't remember you. But can you switch on your video, Sujana and Pritesh, just to monitor in case you are doing these points properly. Hi, Pritesh.
Right.
So we'll start in about 30 seconds. Okay, so I welcome you all again on this session on emotional healing. Specifically, we'll be enhancing our expression. I'll talk to you about this in a few slides. But before we start, this is the agenda for today. Some housekeeping rules and something about myself. And why do we need to enhance our self-expression? How it affects our physical body. And then we'll be using acupressure for enhancing our self-expression. And then we'll be doing these points, first relaxation point and then focus point, and then 5 points to enhance our self-expression. So here are some housekeeping rules. I would request that you please, if you are pregnant lady, please do not press any point. We avoid pregnant ladies to press any point. So if you are pregnant, please do not press any point. And for the next 45 or 40 minutes, I would suggest please switch off your incoming calls, because it's very important that you understand these points and follow the sequence. It's not that you jump in during the session and jump out during the session and come back. You'll miss. So don't miss any part. These points are to be done in a sequence. And I would request you to switch on your videos and put your name clearly in the Zoom. And if you have any questions related to these points during when I explain you, so I would suggest please unmute yourself and ask the questions. But if it's not related to the points and it's related to the technique or something else, I would suggest wait till the end, because we have a question and answer session. So that was housekeeping rule. So this is something about me. Like, I'm a coach by training, and I do not claim to be a healer. Like, I'm just trying to evoke invisible healers inside you, within you, to by help of various techniques we invite the invisible healer and it heals. So it's not, I'm not claiming that I'm a healer. Next, I'm not a doctor. I'm not claiming any cure here. So it's just that using certain acupressure techniques will enhance our expression. So what is, why do we need to enhance our expression? Like, it's important that we speak out. Most of us, and as Indians, we're trained not to speak up in front of elders or teachers. But it is important in today's world that if you want to be successful, you need to be spoken. Speak out to people, tell your point of view. And because we are not trained for self-expression clearly, whenever we go for any kind of interview or professional exam or presentation, we feel jittered. So this point will help you actually remove those jitters. Also, if this self-expression, when we lack self-expression, it gives to various diseases in our body, as I was speaking earlier. And thyroid problem, which is becoming very common these days, is because of that. Like, if you are not able to express yourself regularly, whatever is inside you, it stays inside, and you don't have a proper channel to speak up. So it will lead you to various diseases, and thyroid is one of them. So you can use these points, which I'm going to explain today, to recover from your self-expression issues. So what we are like, we can use various techniques to overcome our difficulty in speaking, to self-express ourselves. It could be EFT, it could be NLP. But today, what I'm going to use is acupressure for improving our self-expression. Borrowing benefits, like, I would request you to do these points with us, so that whenever you do these points, even if you don't have issue, those issues get resolved. So please do these practice with us. One second. So let's start with the relaxation point, which I have explained earlier as well. This is the only point which I repeat every time. So in the center of your head, somewhere in the middle, when you go from your these eyebrows and go to the middle of your head, this is the midpoint. And if you press it, you'll feel that it is sometimes very painful, sometimes it's okay. So just press it out for 1 minute or 60 seconds, or you can rotate it for 60 seconds. So what this point does is it's a meeting point of 100 meridians. So when you press this point, our complete body relaxes. If you have come out from heat outside, you can use this point to relax your body, because when you come out from heat, the body is agitated. If you can't sleep in the night, use this point. It will help you to fall asleep very quickly. So what I'm trying to do during this session, when we start this session, is to relax your mind so that you are in the session. So that completes the 60 seconds. So I would invite someone to share what did they feel during this 60 seconds or after doing this point, pressing on this point for 60 seconds. Would someone like to volunteer? Pritesh? पूजा, आप कुछ बताना चाहते हो? Okay, I have someone in chat. Okay, if there is a pain, what does this mean? Like, Pooja, good question. Agar if there is a pain, I would suggest you press it more. Acupressure में एक principle है, if there is a pain, press it out. अगर पेन हो रहा है तो कोई ना कोई बॉडी का पार्ट इफेक्टेड है इस वक्त, सो आप उसको और प्रेशर डाल के तब आप 1 मिनट की जगह 2 मिनट्स कर लो या 3 मिनट्स कर लो. So one of the acupressure principle is if there is a pain, press it out. So next point is our focus point. ये दोनों मैंने जो पॉइंट है ये स्कल के नीचे, अगर आप स्कल देखेंगे तो ये पॉइंट्स पे डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है मैंने. इसको थंब से करना है जैसे पिक्चर में शो हुआ है. स्कल के जरा सा नीचे जाएंगे तो एक पहले तो हार्ड पार्ट आएगा और उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे स्लाइटली डिप आएगा, सॉफ्ट पार्ट. तो प्रेस दैट और रोटेट इट फॉर 30 seconds. Sorry, 60 seconds. 1 मिनट प्लीज. ये भी अगर आपको रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है तो ये पॉइंट भी आपको हेल्प करेगा सोने के लिए. माइंड में एजिटेटेड अगर हो तो रिलैक्स करने के लिए करेगा. बेसिकली अभी मैं इसको फोकस के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ. अगर आपका फोकस डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है तो यू कैन यूज दिस पॉइंट टू कम टू दिस क्लास. So that completes our 1 minute. So let's start with our पॉइंट्स। तो पहला पॉइंट जो है ये लेफ्ट लेग के आउटर साइड पे है। आई थिंक जो स्क्रीन पे दिखाया हुआ है, I'll try to show और कविता will also try to demonstrate। अगर आप अपना लेफ्ट लेग बेंड करोगे और आउटर साइड जो नीचे अगर बोन है उस पे अगर आप बोन से थोड़ा सा नीचे प्रोब करने की कोशिश करोगे तो सॉफ्ट पार्ट लगेगा यहाँ पे। मैं अपने दूसरे फोन से भी इसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा हूँ। कविता का आप स्क्रीन देख सकते हैं। नी से अगर नीचे की तरफ आएंगे, इंडेक्स फिंगर से आप अगर जो हार्ड बोन है नी की एक बोन आउटसाइड पे, नी के एकदम फ्रंट और उसके नीचे एक डिप है। I hope everyone is getting the point. So this completes our 1 minute. Next move to the second point. अब ये राइट एंकल पे है इनसाइड। आप अपनी 4 फिंगर्स जो अपनी एंकल बोन है उसके ऊपर 4 फिंगर्स जब रखते हो आप, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ। मेरा दूसरा जो स्क्रीन है उसमें जाके देखिए, 4 फिंगर्स रखेंगे तो 4 फिंगर्स के बाद यहाँ जो डिप है ये पॉइंट, उसको आप प्रेस कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे ये सॉफ्ट लगेगा। आई कैन आइदर यू कैन प्रेस और रोटेट क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। अगर फिंगर्स थक रही हैं, इंडेक्स फिंगर से कर रहे हैं आप, और फिंगर्स अगर थक रही हैं तो यू कैन डू विथ योर थंब और योर मिडिल फिंगर। मिडिल फिंगर से कर रहा हूँ और इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब। So this was in right ankle inside. Let's move to the next point. ये इजी है। अगर आप लेफ्ट हैंड आउटसाइड पे है इस वक्त ये, तो जैसे आप फर्स्ट 3 फिंगर्स लेफ्ट हैंड आउटर साइड पे रखेंगे तो ये पॉइंट समवेयर मिडिल में है। मतलब अगर ये जो आपकी क्रीज है इसके ऊपर आउटसाइड से 3 फिंगर्स रखेंगे तो जो इंडेक्स फिंगर के नीचे कहीं पे आएगा, सेंटर में है। ये आपको फील होगा एक डिप, दो ऐसे लगेंगे, 2 बोन्स हैं, बोन नहीं है, 2 टेंडेंट्स हैं, तो उनके बीच में है। It's between those tendons. And this is on your left hand outside. Kindly mute your microphones, please. Ruchi, I can hear. Okay. Ruchi Sharma has a question to ask. If you have a question to ask related to these points, kindly unmute yourself. Okay, so this completes your third point. Let's move to the fourth point. So this is on the right leg. पहले वाला जो था वो लेफ्ट पे था, अब ये राइट पे है. और पहला ऊपर था, अब ये नीचे है. तो नी के बोन से हम जब नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे, ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है. अगर आप इसको अपने राइट लेग को राइट पाम से कवर करते हो ऐसे, यू कैन सी. अपने मैंने राइट पाम को कवर किया, तो जहां पे हमारी मिडिल फिंगर मीट हो रही है, तो हार्ड सी बोन है. इसके थोड़ा सा राइट में जाएंगे तो ये पॉइंट, अगर आपको एक डिप होगा. फिर बता रहा हूँ, राइट लेग को स्ट्रेच करो, पाम रखो उसके ऊपर, और जहां पे ये हमारी मिडिल फिंगर मिल रही है, ये हमारी मिडिल पॉइंट है ये बोन का, ये लोअर लेग की बोन है. इससे थोड़ा सा राइट में जाएंगे अगर, तो एक डिप सा आएगा. ये पॉइंट है. If someone has not gotten the point, please tell me. अगर पॉइंट नहीं मिला तो बता दीजिए. फिर बताता हूँ एक दफा. राइट पाम रखना है ऐसे ऊपर नी कैप के ऊपर, तो मिडिल में आपको हार्ड सी बोन होगी लोअर लेग की, उससे हमें राइट की तरफ जाना है. तो जहां वो डिप करेगी वो पॉइंट. तो वी डू इट फॉर 1 मिनट. इसको आइदर प्रेस करो जोर की, या क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो घर पे, तो इसको आप 2 मिनट भी कर सकते हो, और करना सीक्वेंस में ही है. जैसे अब तक हमने 4 पॉइंट्स किए हैं, तो ये ऑर्डर में ही करने हैं. तो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. तो ये हमारा 4th पॉइंट. Now we come to the लास्ट पॉइंट, ये आप लेफ्ट आईब्रो के ऊपर, अगर आप ऊपर चलेंगे, राइट आईब्रो से थोड़ा सा ऊपर चलेंगे अगर, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक हल्का सा डिप आएगा। तो इसको आइदर यू कैन प्रेस इट और यू कैन रोटेट इट इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। सारे पॉइंट्स को क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घुमाना है। अगर कुछ पेन हो रहा है तो उसको प्रेस इट आउट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, तो उसको प्रेस कर लो। लेफ्ट आईब्रो के ऊपर। So this completes 1 minute for the fifth point. Before we move ahead, यहाँ मैं दोबारा ये पॉइंट्स दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। कोई अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेगा कुछ, जब पॉइंट शुरू किया था उसके बाद? प्रीतेश, सृजाना, पूजा, so I'll repeat these points. बेसिकली ये पॉइंट्स जो हैं ये आपके सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन या आपके एक्सप्रेशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कि हम कई बार अपनी चीज़ों को बॉटल इन कर लेते हैं, बाहर निकालते नहीं है, जो भी माइंड में है, जो भी दिल में है, हम उसको दबा के रखते हैं, इश्यूज हम बोल नहीं पाते। तो दीज आर पॉइंट्स जिससे आप अपना जो सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन है वो एनहांस कर सकते हैं। तो आई एम रिपीटिंग दीज पॉइंट्स। पहला पॉइंट ये है, दिस वाज ऑन योर लेफ्ट लेग आउटसाइड, और ये नीचे की तरफ था। ये पॉइंट नंबर 2, दिस इज ऑन योर राइट एंकल इनसाइड। 4 फिंगर्स, जो आपके एंकल बोन है उससे अराउंड 4 फिंगर्स ऊपर। ये पॉइंट्स थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं, मतलब, बट ये राइट एंकल में इनसाइड। Then this was on your third point was on your left hand outside, 3 fingers, मतलब थर्ड फिंगर के ऊपर ये पॉइंट था, समवेयर इन द मिडिल। ये फोर्थ पॉइंट, it was on your right leg outside। ये जब हम अपना राइट पाम अपने नी पे रखेंगे तो बोन जो है सेंटर में, जो मिडिल फिंगर जहाँ आती है, वो सेंटर वाली जो बोन है लेग, उससे थोड़ा सा राइट में जाके आउटर साइड पे वो है, वहां पे ही। और फिफ्थ पॉइंट वाज ऑन योर आईब्रो, लाइक आईब्रो से थोड़ा सा ऊपर ऑन योर लेफ्ट आईब्रो। So these were your 5 points to improve your self-expression. अब किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो, anyone wants to ask any question related to those points, related to the technique which we use today, किसी को कुछ पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आया हो, तो we'll be doing more sessions. अगर आपको, these are the few sessions. Surjana, as I told you in the starting, we will be doing a session on anger management as well. So how do you release your suppressed anger? So day after we'll be doing that session. Ruchi, you had some question. You can unmute yourself and ask. Pritesh. Galaxy A31. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Nothing, sir. Just one humble submission, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is better to give. You have explained about the knee below some distance, like
Yes.
that.
Yes.
But my humble suggestion is, it is better to give some centimeters from knee. That is very easy to understand, like me.
See, centimeters, because actual size of a person varies to person to person. So in Chinese or in acupressure, we measure in terms of fingers. So I told you fingers. So your finger would be different from my finger.
Yeah,
so when I say one thumb, my width of my thumb is different from your.
Yeah.
So when I say 4 fingers, you will use your finger, not my fingers.
Yeah.
So that's why I tell you, not in centimeters. We don't count in centimeters.
Okay.
Because distances are relative in this.
Okay.
I hope you get my point. But very good question. People do get confused. Like, why don't you tell in centimeters or inches? So we always tell in fingers.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Ruchi, you have raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Yes,
ask.
sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ruchi.
Sir, first of all, my question is, sometime I feel like in my brain, something is moving in my brain, like in my left side,
Okay.
something moving around in the brain on the upper part.
Okay.
I don't understand what is that. Like sometime I feel like darkness up in front of my eyes.
Ruchi, as I told, I'm not a doctor, but I can help you with this. What do you have any medical condition? Have you visited a doctor?
Yes, sir, I'm taking medicine.
And this is regarding what? Because now I'll get little bit personal. So if it's okay, then you can ask me these, or we can take this conversation right now here. Or if you want, you can call me. I'll give you my number, and then we can discuss
No,
your
it's normal. Sorry, it's normal because these days I'm doing lots of work online. That's
Okay.
why I feel like that.
Okay.
No, nothing any personal.
Okay. So you are saying that if I'm getting it right, like because you are spending a lot of time in front of computer, that's why
Yes,
you are
sir.
having this issue.
Yes, sir. I feel I am suffering from this.
Okay.
That's why there is something because
Okay.
lots. I am a teacher. That's why I need to do work on online.
So
and
see,
I have something problems.
I hope this is, if I'm not wrong, this is your first session in our class.
Yes, sir.
So one point which, and you joined little late, one point I had already explained, this is the point. This is used for relaxation. So whenever you are working or you want to start your work, you can press this center point, which is like in the middle. If you go from your third eye towards your head, somewhere in the middle, if you can press it right now,
Yes.
and if you have a headache,
I'm
you'll immediately feel there is a pain.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can't see you.
Uh,
Yes,
if
yeah. Right now I can see.
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay now.
Okay, so you press this point, you will immediately feel that if you are stressed up or if somewhere in your body there is some stress,
Yes.
you'll immediately feel there is a pain.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have stress. Sometimes I have stress
So
due
do
to
you feel the
work.
pain right now?
Sometimes I feel pain, not every
No,
or
I'm
whole
asking
time.
when you press this point right now, do you feel the pain?
No, no, sir. No pain.
Not
Yes,
right now.
no.
So are you having any stress right now? That's what my question is. Next question is, are you feeling
Yes,
stressed?
yes, I have little bit stress. In this pandemic, everybody has stress,
Yeah, so
and I
these
also feel.
classes are for that, to remove your stress. Uh, if you do this for a minute, you'll immediately feel calm now.
Yes,
And
I'm feeling calm.
you started feeling calm, right? Right now
Yes,
you'll feel the experience. Not after 2 hours or 3 hours. I want you to get the results right now. So you'll get it right now. Only request is, because you turned up late and this is your first class, I would suggest we have a session tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll be doing this session called Restoring Life Balance. My
What
humble
time, sir?
6
Same
p.m.,
time?
same time, same login details. So I would request everyone, don't be late. It's not a class like where you can pick up somewhere from between. I
Excuse me, sir. It
Yes.
would be it would be late, like 10 minutes late, because I have
Uh,
another work to do
uh,
that
See,
time.
it's about your health, Ruchi. If it's about your health, I think you can turn up early, 10 minutes. Uh, if you come 5 minutes late, that's not a point. But I
Yes.
would suggest just
I'll try to finish sharp 6 o'clock. Then I
join us by 6:05.
yes.
So if you have any personal things to discuss, if you want to have one-to-one session, you can call me on this number 9868072491.
Okay, sir. If I need to ask any personal question, I will call you.
Yes, sure. I understand
Thank
you are a teacher, and most of us are having anxiety these days. And this was the purpose to start these sessions. Like, I want to give something to the community that people are feeling depressed. And the first session was on depression, and we have done sessions on anxiety and panic. So we are dealing with emotions these days. So please do join us, and we have less than 1 minute left for this session. So I thank everyone for turning up for this session. And if you want to
Thanks
contact
to
me,
you, sir.
thank you, Ruchi. You can contact me on this number. P. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night. Bye for now.
Wish you the same, sir.